Hi guys, and welcome to this new video from Minimal Nerd. Today we have two smart speakers, the HomePod Mini and the Amazon Echo Dot. So these are similar kind of speakers, but the price is almost double. So $99 for the HomePod Mini and $50 for the Amazon Echo. So this is really interesting comparison since they have similar size, but it's almost double the price. We're gonna see if the features are comparable, which one should you buy, and what about the sound quality. So stay tuned and watch the video. Okay, so today we're gonna just compare it with the most commands I use daily with my smart speaker, and then we're gonna see the sound quality, and it's gonna be a very quick comparison. Hey Siri, what's the weather like?
It's currently cloudy and 28 degrees. Expect thunderstorms, then cloudy skies starting tonight. Temperatures are heading down from 28 degrees to 26 tonight. My weather data is provided by the Weather Channel.
Alexa, what's the weather like?
Currently, in Ho Chi Minh City, it's 27 degrees Celsius with cloudy skies. Tonight, you can expect thunderstorms, with a low of 24 degrees.
Hey Siri, how much is 5,000 US dollar to Vietnamese dong?
$5,000 is 115,880,000 Vietnamese dong, according to Yahoo Finance.
Alexa, how much is $5,000 to Vietnamese dong?
5,000 US dollars is 115.64 million Vietnamese dong.
Hey Siri, set alarm for 5 p.m.
I've set an alarm for 5 p.m.
Alexa, set alarm for 5 p.m.
Alarm set for 5 p.m. Would you like this alarm set for every weekday?
No. Hey Siri, play some music.
Sure, here's some music picked just for you.
Alexa, play some music.
Getting the last iHeart radio station you listen to, American Top 40.
Hey Siri, play EDM music.
Okay, here's electronic.
Hey Siri, set a timer for 5 minutes.
5 minutes, counting down.
Alexa, set a timer for 5 minutes.
5 minutes, starting now.
Hey Siri, what's the date today?
It's Thursday, December 10th, 2020.
Alexa, what's the date today?
It's Thursday, December 10th.
Hey Siri, who sings this song?
There's nothing playing on this HomePod.
Alexa, who's playing this song?
This is American Top 40.
Hey Siri, how many ounces in a pound?
1 pound is 16 ounces.
Alexa, how many ounces in a pound?
1 pound is 16 ounces.
Hey Siri, play some rock music.
Now playing rock.
It's been a while since I've talked about it. Maybe it's time to cooperate.
Alexa, play some rock music.
Getting 98 Rock Tampa Station from iHeartRadio.
Gone by and all the good times, and I think we should definitely do this today. I just don't know what year we're going to do. I'm going to talk to AJ about that in a little bit here.
Hey Siri, will it rain today?
It might rain in the early evening, starting at 6 p.m., with rain continuing into the evening.
Alexa, will it rain today?
It might rain tonight. There's a 51% chance at 7 p.m. You can expect about 2.9 millimeters.
Hey Siri, tell me a joke.
A telescope just turned up in our lost and found box. We don't know who it belongs to, but we're looking into it.
Alexa, tell me a joke.
When does a hippo have a tusk? After some rhinoplasty.
Okay, my verdict is very simple. If you're looking for the best sound quality and the richness of sound, then get the HomePod Mini without any doubt. If you're looking for better smart assistant, if you're looking for integration with more devices and, better customizing your skills, then get the Echo Dot. Hey Siri.
Uh-huh.
Alexa,
Wow. Awkward.